everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted an air purifier. Love it already because it essentially comes completely installed. All you need to do is turn it around and you are going to open the back part and you need to take the plastic off of the filter. So you're going to pull it out. There's little tabs on here. There's the inside of the filter. And then you have these little tabs right here to help you pull it out. So make sure that those are facing towards you when you put it back in. Snaps in, put the back on. We are ready to go. This large air purifier couldn't be easier to use. It's so lightweight, you can carry it to any room and set it up. You just plug it in and you turn it on and that's it. Then that HEPA filter does all of the work. This is so whisper quiet. Let's take a listen. It's really unbelievable. And the controls are so easy to use. You turn it on with the touch of a button. You have 4 fan speeds and a timer that will turn it off after as many hours you set it. It's up to 24 hours. You have 360 degree air intake, so that's going to clean your entire large room. You have the auto function, which I love. You don't even have to think about it. And that sleep function, which turns off all of the lights. You have a lock that you can set by holding it for 3 seconds and then release it by touching it for 3 seconds again. And then you can use all of the controls. I am absolutely loving this. It is perfect for a large space. And it has real-time air quality detection. It's easy to move and easy to use. You can even hook it up to an app. This is amazing and we are loving it. And I think that you will too. Definitely check it out. We highly recommend.